What is up, guys? It's Caden from ANCRC, and you might be asking, Caden, why do you have the boat out in the middle of the snow? Well, that's because we're going to be freaking trying snowboarding. Isn't that awesome? And look at this. See the tracks right there? I already tried it just to make sure it would work, and went all the way over there and then back here. And it stalled out right here because you can't turn. You can't turn and make another turn. You have to only make one turn and then straight and then another turn. You can't go turn and then turn to the left and then turn to the right. But yeah, we're gonna be trying to make a big oval across our whole field. And we have a big open area of snow. And yeah, this thing actually goes really fast on the snow, so stay tuned and let's get right to it. Sorry, it's out of frame. I'll come back.
Oh no, did it stop? Going to get the boat. Because he lost the boat. Look at Otis. He's so funny.
Well, that's snowboarding for you guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.